So here we'll start with the thermodynamics. This thermodynamics is the branch of science which deals with the governing equations or the laws possessing energy, laws possessing the energy conversion. Energy conversions. This energy conversions means that the what are the various energy interactions? What are the various energy interactions within interactions of the thermodynamic system with the surroundings? So here I would like to tell that these are the basic energy interactions. These energy interactions are consisting of heat transfer, internal energy, and work transfer. That means here there are two things. One is a heat transfer and work transfer, another is the internal energy. So these three things are very important whenever we deal with the energy interactions, because in energy interactions we can take whole energy which consists of other potential energy, kinetic energy, and all other internal energies associated with the system. But what are the transient type of energies here? There are two categories of energies interactions. Two categories of energy interactions. Two categories of energy interactions. That one first is a transient energy, and another are the stored energies. So here internal energy will come in the category of stored energy, and transient energies, work and heat transfer, will come in the transient type of energies. So here whenever we deal with the thermodynamics branch, we most of the times we call it the energy interactions. But here we should also understand that if there are changes in the state of physical properties, changes in the state of physical properties will also be dealt with here in thermodynamics. So here we can say that here we can say that the energy interaction, thermodynamics is dealing with what? Thermodynamics is dealing with the energy transfer or energy interactions plus the properties, physical properties which change. Physical properties of the system which changes during the process, during these interactions. So here we can understood one important thing, that thermodynamics is that branch of science which will deal with the energy interactions and the physical properties of the system which changes during these interactions. So to understand the basic things, first we'll have terminology. Before that terminology, we'll understand that these thermodynamics is based on the 4 laws of thermodynamics. First one, 0th law, first law, second law, and third law. So there are these 4 laws are just based on the general experience and on the basis of the logical reasoning or experimental general experiments, general processes involved during these experiments, or during these laws being taken for that experiments, and these laws have only on the basis of the logical reasoning, etc. There is no proper proof of any second law, first law, third law. There is no proper mathematical proof. Mathematical proof.